This was happened in the 2002, 2003. Just I completed my BTech. Do you know, I have one diary. I was a gate trainer at the time. There was one institute, the people, they gave the diary. Even today also the diary there with me. On that, they just printed my name also. So New Year diary distribution and the faculty names with the by printing faculty names, they are going to distribute the diaries. The diary I had. Then whatever thoughts I have, just I wrote in that diary. This was happened 2002, 2003, something like at that time. Whatever thoughts I have, just write in that diary. Believe me, I have to go to that place. I require to take gate classes there, right? I have to collect the money from there. Whatever thoughts are coming, let me put on the paper, and then I close it. Believe me, I stopped that habit after a few days, and then that diary I kept aside. After 3 months or 6 months, after some time, one day, accidentally I opened that diary. Believe me, each and everything what I wrote, each and everything what I wrote, completed those activities. Believe me, completed those activities. Clear indication, your thoughts are going to work, converted into actions in reality. Then I really got shocked that moment. Even that diary currently also with me. I got shocked like anything. Hurry, all these things I completed. Already I completed. Thoughts that much powerful. That's why think big, think big, think big. That thing must be required. Anything is possible, man. Law of attraction is already there, right? Universe don't know whether it is a small goal, small dream or bigger dream. Universe don't know anything, man. Whatever you want, universe is always going to provide. Whatever you want, universe is always going to provide. But only thing is, ask clearly, believe fully, visualize every day. Ask, ABR formula. Ask, believe, receive. Receive means visualization. Visualize every day at least few minutes. Yes, it's already happened. One fine day in your life, it is going to be happen in reality. Whether it is a small dream, whether it is a bigger dream. But only thing is consistently you require to water without forgetting. That thing matters a lot. Everyone in the position to understand my point.